What's up guys, my name is Blake Moore and welcome to More Finance, where we talk all things stock market, real estate, money making strategies, and money saving strategies, hence the name More Finance. Now as you guys know, I'm an avid Doordasher, and guess what time of year it is? Tax season. So in this video I wanted to go over all the benefits and all the write-offs you can get from being a Doordash driver and exactly how to file your taxes as a self-employed Doordash driver, because it can get pretty complicated. Hopefully you guys can learn something from this and end up paying less taxes in the end, because that's truly my goal with this video, is help us all pay a little bit less taxes to the pesky government that just likes to take your money. So hopefully by watching this video you can pay a little bit less and we can all walk away with a little bit more money in our pockets. Also, at the end of this video, I'll be going over the weekly review of my Doordash challenge I'm doing, where I'm Doordashing 250 hours this month of February. So stay tuned for that. That'll be at the end of this video. I'll break down everything, how much I've made so far, how many hours I've Doordashed, and how much it's cost me in gas, and just the whole shebang. So make sure you stay tuned for that. With that said, if you guys wouldn't mind just completely obliterating that like button and completely destroying that subscribe button, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you guys can do that for me, I got a little surprise for you. Guess what? If you guys do that for me, I'm going to show you a cute picture of this puppy right here. But first, you have to hit the like button and that subscribe button. Otherwise, you don't get to see the picture. I'll give you guys a few seconds to do that. Alright, since you guys have had time to do that now, I will put up the picture of the cute puppy. Shame on you if you didn't like or subscribe to this video and you still reaped the benefits and you saw the cute puppy. Not a good way to live, just saying. No, but really guys, if you wouldn't mind doing that for me, I would greatly appreciate it, and you'll be entered into the giveaway I'm doing for my first 1,000 subscribers, and you'll get entered into a chance to win a ton of great prizes. I won't let you guys down, and I got a lot of great content coming. So if you guys do that, it's kind of a win-win. You get entered into a giveaway and I get more subscribers. So hopefully I can just bring you guys more value by doing that. And I think it's about time to get started with the video. First off, you're going to want to keep track of all your expenses that have to do with Doordash. This means like car maintenance, gas, your phone bill, any miles that you put on your car, literally anything. If you get an oil change, if you pop a tire and have to replace that tire, and any accessories you might buy like a phone charger in your car or anything like that. Make sure you keep track of those. This means that you should also keep track of any receipts and log anything you buy with Doordash, because this will come in real handy if you get audited. Another important thing that you guys should remember is to always separate your business expenses from your personal expenses, because this will be really important when it comes down to filing your taxes. For example, say you use your phone 30% of the time for business and 70% of the time for personal use. You would multiply your phone bill by 30% to see how much you could use as a deduction from your earnings. Also, if you're using your vehicle, which I assume most of you guys are, for doing deliveries, then you'll be able to deduct some of the cost of your vehicle as well. Now, there are two ways to deduct costs from your vehicle. One is the mileage method and one is the actual expense method. Either way, you need to track your personal miles and your business miles. A great app that you can use that does this for you is the app called Everlance. It's really easy to use, super easy, and it literally does all the work for you. All you have to do is swipe which way, whether it's business or whether it's personal use, and it literally has the amount of miles you drove, and you just swipe whichever way for if it's business or if it's personal. It's literally that easy. So I would highly suggest getting an app like this. I am not endorsed by Everlance. This isn't a sponsor for Everlance, but I've used them and they're just really easy to use, and it makes everything nice and easy, and it keeps track of everything for you and makes it nice and neat when it comes time to file your taxes. So for the mileage method, you can get a deduction for the number of business miles you drive by multiplying the business miles you drive by the IRS mileage rate, which is 57.5 cents per business mile you drive. This means that if you drove 10,000 miles for business use, then you'd be able to deduct $5,750 off of your taxes. Now, if you use the actual expenses method, then you'll have to keep track of every single thing that goes into running your business as a Doordash driver. This includes like gas, insurance, phone bill, car maintenance and repairs, interest on a loan that you might be paying for that car, any registration fees, and any depreciation that falls upon your car while you DoorDash for the year. So let me give you guys an example of how this all works. After you total up all the expenses for operating your car for the year, you'll multiply the amount by the percentage of business use of your vehicle. The business miles for the year divided by the total miles for the year. This means that if your total auto expenses are $5,000 and your total miles are $20,000, and your business miles are 10,000 miles, then you would take the 10,000 business miles divided by the total 20,000 miles that you drove, which equals 0.5 or 50%, then take the $5,000 you spent in expenses times that by the 50% that you spent driving business miles, and you'll get $2,500, which is the amount you can claim on your taxes. So that pretty much sums up all the benefits and all the write-offs you can use as a DoorDash driver when you're filing your taxes. And as you can see, it can end up saving you a lot of money. Now let's get into my weekly summary for my first week DoorDashing 250 hours for the month of February. Days 4 and 5 were really good actually, and I ended up making a lot of money, and these two were my best days so far. And unfortunately on Saturday and Sunday I really didn't get to DoorDashing much. I had a lot of family stuff and I just couldn't get out there and DoorDash, so I didn't really work either of those days, which kind of sucks, but I know I'm just gonna have to work harder the next few weeks to make up the time I missed on this Saturday and Sunday. In total for the week, I made $836, and I ended up DoorDashing 47 hours and 30 minutes, and this brought my hourly total to $17.60. Now, the reason that it's 836 and not the number that you see on the screen right there is because I did get some cash tips and some Walmart tips that were added after I took the screenshot. So it's 836, but for the week, it says 798, like you see right there. Now, in total for the week, I only spent $61 on gas, which is actually really good in my opinion. And so that brought my weekly total to only $775. And this brings my hourly total to $16.71 per hour. Because I only DoorDashed 47 hours and 30 minutes this week, that means I'm only down to 202 hours and 30 minutes left, but that means I'm really going to have to pick it up in these next few weeks and average about 66 to 68 hours a week in order to hit that 250 goal, which I'm going to do. I promise I'm not going to bail out and just not do it. So we're really going to have to kick it into gear over the next few weeks, which is going to be hard because I have my cousin's wedding coming up next weekend and I'm going to be out pretty much all Friday. So I'm really going to be having to put in like 14-hour days. So I'll try and get some video of that, make it entertaining for you guys, and make a couple of videos out of it. So hopefully we have some cool stories, we make good money, and yeah, hopefully it's just a good time overall. Well guys, there you have it, the DoorDash benefits and write-offs, and also my weekly summary for the 250-hour DoorDash challenge that I'm doing. Hopefully this video was able to bring you guys some value, and hopefully it was entertaining enough that you didn't just click out of it right after I showed you the picture of the cute puppy, because then you would have missed out on all this good information. With that said, make sure you guys get your 4 free stocks from Webull. When you deposit $100 on their platform and you use that link down below in the description, Webull is going to be giving you 4 free stocks valued at a minimum of $21. So it's free money. You might as well do it. Use the link down below. And also, if you aren't a Dasher already, make sure you click that link down below. I have a DoorDash link where you'll be getting a bonus $50 for your first 240 deliveries you complete as a DoorDash driver. So just a little way I can bring you guys a little bit more value. And with all that, you can earn about $61, and it really doesn't take a lot of time at all. So I'd say it's worth it. Along with that, if you guys got any value from this video, just please make sure you hit the like button and the subscribe button. I know I say it a lot, and it probably gets annoying for you guys who have already done it, but I just got to keep saying it so that YouTube pushes my channel, and hopefully I can bring more value to more people across the world. So yeah, just hit the like button, subscribe button, and to reward you guys, I'm doing that giveaway for my first 1,000 subscribers, and there's going to be more giveaways after that. Just we're tackling the first 1,000 right now. We got to get those first 1,000 subscribers so we can do this giveaway. It's going to be amazing. The prizes are going to be incredible. You guys won't regret it, and hopefully I can bring you a lot of value along the way as you watch my videos after you subscribe to me. So make sure you do that, and you can join this amazing group that we already have going. Well, I think you guys have heard enough from me today, so with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. You guys are the best subscribers in the world, and I'll see you next time.